Jason and Coaching. I am studying 1 year diploma in Health Safety and Environment Management in Saravali Institution of Fire and Safety at Udupi, an authorized center of PSS. Here I am applying World Skill Council Career Development Certification as the HSC officer. Today I am going to talk about classifications of fire and fire extinguisher. What is fire? Fire is a process of rapid oxidation in a hot temperature. It produces heat. It produces heat, gas, and invisible form of radiation. In a fire triangle, there is 3 elements. One is oxygen, and another is fuel, and heat. Oxygen is present in atmosphere, and heat is any type of sparks present or it given by manual, and fuel. Fuel is any metal that can burn into ashes. The classification of fire is Class A fire, Class B, Class C, Class D. Class A fire includes ordinary combustible metals like wood, paper, cloth, and Class B fire includes Class B fire includes combustible liquids in that petroleum, gases, and many other. In Class C, electrical fire. It will produced by any short circuits or any other type of fire. In Class D, it is a combustible metal like aluminium, magnesium. It will react with water. By it will produce fire. In Class K fire, it is kitchen fire. Kitchen fire includes such as the oil and vegetable waste, any other substances. To reduce the fire of these classes, first we have to, for Class A fire, we have to use water for combustible materials, and Class B fire we have to use foam or CO2. For Class C fire we have to use CO2, and Class D fire we have to use DCP, dry chemical powder. For Class K fire we have to use wet agent chemical. In some of other areas we should have smoke detectors, fire detector, heat detectors, and fire alarms. In fire alarms, it only gives warning about fire which has spread in the area, and smoke detectors, it detects the smoke where fire is get itself or by any other things, and heat detector, it will detect the heat by produced by chemical fire. It will not produce more smoke in chemical fire. So we should keep heat detector. And in any other situation, first we have to see what is we have to see what if we can extinguish fire, or in other call for any other emergency, or we should extinguish ourselves. In extinguisher checklist, we can see in fire checklist, we should check the fire extinguisher. We should check the first safety tag, then safety lock, then fire extinguisher hose. If there is any damage, replace the hose. Identify the number, any number of. Then we have to check the gauge. If it is in full red, it is pressurized, or in green, it is normal to use, or in other side red, it is low pressure. It is set to be stored for refill. In the using of fire extinguisher, the PASS 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 is pull the pin, aim at the fire, squeeze and sweep by side. So thank you.